Touch the black stuff. And then get the red?
Yeah, there's like 4 levels.
Turn off the light, Sam, so you can see it better.
Okay.
Does that help?
Now what?
It happened.
Actually, turn it on, Sam.
I just did it.
No, you have to go. Did you lose? You have to
Go
go.
to the red.
Now what?
Now you gotta go to that
You
menu.
need to click.
Don't touch the walls. You gotta go. It's slow but steady.
You get to level 4.
But if you hit the walls, you have to start over.
Yeah.
So
Are you guys gonna mess me up when I get to 4?
no.
You guys are gonna mess me up, huh?
I'm gonna mess you up, standing right here.
How does Sahara do?
Sahara, beat it.
Oh shit. Are you kidding me? How am I gonna get that through there?
You gotta just do it.
I just touched the block. What the fuck was that?
What happened?
You assholes!
What?
They tell me come play a game, right? And I'm playing a game, concentrating, and look what jumps up and screams at you.
It did.
I'm scared. I almost peed in my pants.